Look at this early in the morning, man. I just opened these trades up. You see what I'm saying? 8:30. I opened these trades up. Plus, I already took some profit down here. 59, 10, 21, 67. Early in the morning, man. Catching that early morning volatility. You know what I mean? Yeah. Running up this US30, man. Got to catch it right when the market opens, man. If it look like it's going one way, more than likely it's gonna go the other, man. You always wanna, well, from what I'm doing is I'm on the opposite side of it. You know what I mean? I'm on the opposite side of where I see the market, where it's fighting. If it's bouncing like that, and I see it was already in the uptrend when it opened, shit, I'm a rock against it. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel like more than likely it's gonna go the other way. But yeah, it's US30 early in the morning, getting the bread in, working 30 minutes a day. You know what I'm saying? Real shit. Real shit.